Hi everyone. Today the second part of the previous topic will be discussed, that is operation management. The topic consists of about operation management, define it, meaning of operation management, objective relation to customer, function and importance of it, and lastly concluding the topic. So what is operation management? Operation management is in charge of meaning the conversion process. The unit handles the day-to-day running of the business to ensure operations within the organization are carried out smoothly. It is also in charge of production, administration, manufacturing, and other processes like the rendering of services. In short, everything regarding production process such as designing, implementation and control is the study of operation management, and the sole aim is to deliver the desired product and services to clients while also ensuring that all parties involved are adhering to the policies presented by the management of the company. The focus is also to make sure that there is little or no wastage during and after the production process through the effective use of farm resources. So we define operation management as it is the administration of business practices to create the highest level of efficiency possible within an organization. It is concerned with converting materials and labor into goods and services as efficiently as possible to maximize the profit of an organization. Operations management termed attempt to balance cost with revenue to achieve the highest net operating profit possible. Operation management involves utilizing resources from staff, materials, equipment, and technology. Operation managers acquire, develop, and deliver goods to clients based on clients' needs and the abilities of the company. Operation management handles various strategies issues, including determining the size of manufacturing plants and project management methods, and implementing the structure of information technology networks. Other operational issues include the management of inventory levels, including work in progress level and raw material acquisition, quality control, material handling, and maintenance policies. Operation management entails studying the use of raw material and ensuring minimal wastage occur. Operation managers utilize numerous formulas like economic order quantity formula to determine when and how large of an inventory order to be processed and how much inventory to hold on hand. So what are the objective of operation management? The objective of operation management is discussed here only relation to customer, as this type of management emphasizes on service. As to deliver value for customer in product and services, it is essential for the company to do the following factors. Identify the customer's need and convert that into a specific product or service. Actually, number of products required for specific period of time is considered here. The second one, based on product requirement to backward working to identify raw materials requirement. And third one, engage internal and external vendors to create supply chain for raw materials and finished good between vendor to production facility and finally to customer. There are some functions of operation management. As earlier mentioned, the duty of the operation managers entails making sure that resources are used for the right things and plays a significant role in the production process to ensure the team deliver quality output. Below are some functions of operation management. The first function would be financing function. Operation management's responsibility is to make sure that the company's resources are used in the right manner to generate goods that satisfy its customers. Second one, strategy. Operation managers also help in the development of plans or tactics that could lead to the maximization of resources and production of product that gives the company a competitive edge over its competitors. The third one, product design. It is the operation manager's responsibility to come up with product design that not only caters to the needs of customers but follow the market trend. The last one will be the forecasting. The operation management also predict the performance of product or services in the future. In other words, it critically analyzes what customers' demand for certain products would be in the future. There is certain importance of operation management. The role of operation management is to ensure that product or service are always available and reaches customers promptly. He also makes sure that raw materials are transformed successfully into finished good. Another importance of operation management is to improve the overall productivity of the business. Resources are also used properly in order to eliminate wastage and boost profit. So we can say both production and operation management are relevant to an establishment. They both help the firm to accomplish its objective. In the past, the midest people had was that creation management is not patient. But if you read this topic carefully, you will discover how important the role of the operation manager is. It is best for companies to implement both management concept and ensure they are run efficiently to achieve business growth and customer satisfaction. Thank you. If you have any doubt, so ask me in the Google Classroom comment box.